And I will probably just do another tutorial on this, how to use it. And as you get to the end, you just curve it like this, right? Just curve it like that. So you're kind of just doing, because it's a really tight place here. Okay, like I was saying, epoxy is self-leveling, so it will always try to level it up. So you always put a surface under level. If you don't have a level surface, you make it on your own. So once you know it's level, you start mixing your resin, okay? So keep it tuned. Part B, harder, already apply of it. Part A, right? And this is going. Then you kind of mix it up. We're going to use this pencil. Mix it up. And it's going to start mixing up. You can get a brush. I got gloves, so I'll just spread it with my hands. Make sure it hits everywhere. And like I said, it's going to self-level. So you don't worry if it's self-leveling. Because it does. And then it's part of the epoxy. This is going to be the back of it. It has a little bluish into it. And as you can see, you're going to have some drips as well. Since this is an opening, it doesn't really matter if it has a drip. You do want it to get in there. So you got to make sure actually it drips. And it covers every surface in that area. Some people will put a tape under it, and this is part of the other design, that kind of bluish. We're just going to leave it as it is. It's going to be part of the design. And then later on, when you come back, since it's an open space, you just make sure that it hits everywhere and it stays like that, consistent. Right. Now on this second one, we're actually going to do a design to this one. So this is brown. And we're actually going to do an island, like if it will be a sea. This is also a chopping board. So we're going to be drawing islands. And we already pre-did, so we have our exposed epoxy here. And we're just going to make sure that that epoxy is brown and it keeps spreading everywhere. Even in that little hole we just did. So all it is going to be epoxy self-leveling. So as you can see, the island is there. This side is not level, and we did it on purpose just because we want to make sure that the epoxy keep dripping in a way that it can form an island. So everywhere where the epoxy brown didn't get, we're going to get the blue in there. That's so. You see like this open spot here? And it's self-leveling again, so it's trying to get everywhere. We also have an open spot here. So we got C coming in. to the island. Now we want to make sure that we have different colors on the waves of the sea. Okay, we need different colors of waves. So here we got, so we're gonna go over what we did just on the contour of it. So it kind of just has like, it's hitting different colors of waves. Alright, as you can see. And then we got this part here where the waves will get in a different angle. What we just did, you're supposed to do that on the second day, but since we have a little bit more experience, we can do it the same day. And you don't want to overdo this too much. You just want to make sure you hit all the clear spots, and that's about it. So once you hit it and it comes by and it gets into all those areas, you should be good to go. We're also doing the second here, so it kind of mixed it up, and it kind of just give it a second, level it up. So as you see, it's hidden everywhere. And we're just spreading it out.